The following videos are that of strange sounds heard throughout the globe. These sounds have been known to induce several days of nightmares. However, I personally believe that is just a placebo effect. Some people think that the sounds are that of aliens, others believe it is reflected sound from deep within the Earth's crust. More than likely it is a new military side technology. We have seen sounds being used in many wars throughout history, including Vietnam, Iraq, and Afghanistan. What is about to happen? Nobody knows, but what we do know is there are lots of strange things happening around the world. From mind-boggling politics, chemspraying, and insane terrorism to unbelievable weather and people simply losing their minds and going on a rampage. We are nothing but cattle in this world and have been used for millennia. We need to adapt and overcome our greatest enemy, ourselves. Don't expect them, for it is too late. We are already here. Be ready.
Very big. How long has this been going for?
I'm hearing, looking out my window right now, hearing some strange fucking sounds out there. I have no idea what the hell they are. It's rattling the earth around here. We're in Long Island, January 18th. And it's fucking loud. You hear that? You hear that shit? Fuck is that shit?
What?
I have no idea. Like, it's coming straight out of the sky. What is that?